Hi everyone, let's make flowers using pipe cleaner. So we are going to fold this orange color of pipe cleaner and make the flower petals. Now using this green color of pipe cleaner, we are going to make the leaves and sepal of the flower. Fold all of them, paste it using hot glue gun and look, it's ready. Now we are going to make more such flowers. Let's make leaves now. So fold this green color of pipe cleaner, cut the extra part using scissors and look, your leaves are ready. Combine all of them on this green stick using roller tape and look how pretty this is looking. Let's make flowers using pipe cleaner. So we are going to fold this pink color of pipe cleaner, put your finger inside and look, your flower petal is ready. We are also going to straighten it using straightener. Now we are going to make another flower. So fold this pink color of pipe cleaner and put these white flowers at the center part. Now cover it using all these flower petals one after another and adjust the petals as well. Put leaves and look, your flowers are ready. Take a pink color of pipe cleaner and start folding it like we're doing here in a zigzag way. After doing this, we're going to twist all of them and make a flower shape like this. We're also putting this green flower at the center using scissors. We're cutting extra parts and bend all of them like we're doing here. Now we're also curling the petals, make more such flowers like this. We're also making small bud and put all of them on this green stick using floral tape and look, it's ready. Make small pieces of red pipe cleaner and your petals are ready. After this, we're going to tie a knot on this white flower using this red color of pipe cleaner and cover it like this. After this, we're going to put all the petals one after another and paste it using hot glue gun and look, your little flower is ready. Similarly, we're going to make a flower stick. So roll all the flowers on this green stick using this brown roller tape and look, your flower stick is ready. Let's make these little flowers using pipe cleaner. So we're going to roll this pipe cleaner on this pen, remove it. Now we're going to pull all the petals and twist all of them like we're doing here and look, your flower petal is ready. We're also rolling this brown color of pipe cleaner, paste it at the center. Similar way, make more such flowers and leaves and tie all of them on this green stick using floral tape and look, your flower stick is ready. Take this orange color of pipe cleaner and twist it, make the flower petals. We're going to make 12 such petals. Keep it aside, roll this brown pipe cleaner and make a circle. Now we're also making the sepal of the flower and then leaves as well using this green color of pipe cleaner like we're doing here. Twist it like this and look, it's ready. After this, tie a knot at the bottom side and open it. Now paste all the flower petals on the brown circle one after another and put the leaf as well. Paste it on this green stick and we're going to cover it using this green color of roller tape. Put the leaves as well on the stick and open all the petals like we're doing here. Bend it and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Take this purple color of pipe cleaner, fold it and tie a knot like we're doing here and look, you have to twist it again from the bottom side and your flower petal is ready. Now take this green color of pipe cleaner, we're making the leaves of the flower. Keep it aside, make the flower and put the leaf as well. Roll it using green color of roller tape and look, your flowers are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.